Imagine if every person in a large city suddenly woke up to find their life savings completely wiped out, gone in the blink of an eye. The shock, confusion, and heartbreak would ripple through every street and neighborhood, leaving families and individuals scrambling to understand what happened. That's not just a nightmare, it's the harsh reality for thousands in the world of cryptocurrency, where fortunes can vanish in seconds. Since 2021, over $1 billion have been lost to crypto scams in the USA alone, with new schemes popping up almost every week and catching even the most careful investors off guard. The typical loss is about $2,600 per person, a devastating blow for many, especially those who invested their hard-earned money hoping for a better future. In just the first half of 2025, a staggering $2.47 billion was stolen globally, already surpassing the total losses of all of 2024, and the year isn't even over yet. This crisis affects everyone, from young, tech-savvy investors to retirees who are simply trying to grow their nest eggs, leaving no one truly safe. Scammers are becoming more sophisticated and effective, using new tricks and technology to target unsuspecting victims every day. The dazzling promise of crypto's future is now matched by the very real danger of scams that exploit its complexity, making vigilance more important than ever. How do these villains pull off their heists? The world of crypto is full of opportunity, but it's also a playground for scammers who are constantly inventing new tricks to steal your digital assets. These cybercriminals are clever, patient, and always on the lookout for their next victim. Social media scams are rampant. Scammers use fake profiles and bots to flood your feed with tempting offers, giveaways, and investment tips that seem too good to be true. You see a post promising high returns from a celebrity or investment guru. These posts are designed to look authentic, using stolen photos and fake testimonials to build trust. They ask you to send crypto, promising to double it. A classic trap. The promise of easy money is hard to resist, but once you send your coins, they're gone for good. Fake investment platforms mimic legitimate exchanges, luring you to deposit crypto. These sites are expertly crafted to look real, complete with fake charts, customer support, and even fake reviews. Everything seems fine until you try to withdraw. Then your money vanishes. The scammers disappear, leaving you with nothing but an empty wallet and regret. Phishing emails mimic trusted companies, tricking you into giving away your login details. These emails often create a sense of urgency, making you act before you think. Romance scams build trust over time, then exploit it for financial gain. Scammers may spend weeks or months pretending to care, only to ask for money when you least expect it. Scammers guide victims to invest life savings in fraudulent platforms. They target anyone, from young investors to retirees, preying on hope and trust. Once the money is sent, they disappear without a trace. In the blink of an eye, your hard-earned crypto is gone, and the scammer is nowhere to be found. It's not just individuals. Entire exchanges are targeted. In February 2025, Bybit lost $1.4 billion in a massive hack. Suspected hackers, the Lazarus Group, used stolen funds to bypass sanctions. This shows the global scale and sophistication of threats. In 2024, Japanese and Indian exchanges lost hundreds of millions. Even if you secure your funds, platform vulnerabilities put them at risk. Mega hacks shake confidence in the crypto market, hindering growth. Once crypto is stolen, it's often gone forever, hidden in anonymous wallets. Scammers are masters of disguise, often impersonating businesses or government agencies. They send official-looking emails demanding immediate crypto payments. Social media is a major hunting ground for these imposters. Fake profiles and targeted ads lure victims into scams. Phishing emails hook victims by the dozens. Sometimes, scammers pretend to be friends or romantic partners. They build trust, then exploit it for financial gain. Even seasoned investors can fall for sophisticated scams. Scammers research targets to make their approach believable. Protecting your digital assets starts with a healthy dose of skepticism. If you come across offers that promise guaranteed returns or seem too good to be true, take a step back and question their legitimacy. Scammers often use flashy rewards or urgent language to lure you in, so always pause and think before acting. Remember, all legitimate investments carry some level of risk. If someone claims you can't lose money or offers secret opportunities with no downside, that's a major warning sign. Scammers prey on your desire for quick profits, so don't let excitement cloud your judgment. Always guard your personal information closely. Never share your passwords, seed phrases, or private keys with anyone, no matter how convincing they sound. These details are the keys to your assets. Keep them safe and secure. Double-check website addresses for subtle misspellings or odd characters, and be extra cautious with unexpected emails or messages. Phishing scams often mimic real companies to trick you into revealing sensitive information. Treat every crypto transaction as final, because once you send funds, there's no way to reverse the process. Take your time and never rush when sending money. Always verify recipient addresses meticulously before sending funds. Even a single wrong character can send your assets to the wrong place with no way to recover them. If a business insists on accepting only crypto payments, especially for urgent or high-value transactions, consider it a red flag. Scammers prefer crypto because it's hard to trace and impossible to reverse. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't hesitate to pause and consult with trusted friends or family before making any decisions. Finally, always research investment platforms thoroughly before committing any money. A few extra minutes of caution can save you from costly mistakes and keep your assets safe.